perhaps you have a Discord server, a Telegram server, a Skype, Facebook group, whatever it is, or a Freedom Cells, organization, meetup group in real life. I don't know what it is. If you have a way for people to get involved, network with each other, and share content, this is the place you want to be, because we have a page that is dedicated to sharing a bunch of links for different servers and groups and channels, and you can promote yours on this channel for free. You can network with others in Freedom servers, channels, or groups, whether, like I said, Discord. Guilded is an alternative now. There's Element. I use Element. I recommend it because it's end-to-end encrypted as I speak right now. And then there's, Facebook groups and other more mainstream options. But you can join these servers as anybody who is interested in wanting to network with others, and you can access everything. And this is better than just somebody linking their own channels or linking their own videos, because this is a whole server. You can talk to other people, you can get more directly involved, and there's a lot more branching off you can do. Now, I'm not in charge of all these different servers, although I am the one listing them on the website. So just recognize that the moderation for these online spaces is with the ownership of the server. So if I own an Element server, then that is my server. And if someone owns another server, that's their server, right? And so recognize that different spaces have different rules and different things that they might talk about, different people in those spaces. That's the whole point of networking, right? And the host and platforms used are with the voluntary choice to participate. So you can choose whether you want to be in this server or that server. Maybe you don't like these people. Maybe you'd rather be in this server. It's all your choice. We're all in this for the same goal, which is freedom. Not everybody may be exactly aligned to how you see freedom should be achieved in the world. We need to just get this conversation going. We need to bring it to a lot more people, especially the people who are in the dark. So if you don't know about that, be sure to check out our other videos and other content about how to share the Liberator 2, how to request your own Freedom server on this networking page. And generally speaking, all the servers that are listed on this page should be aligning to abolitionism or voluntaryism. If a server should not be listed, I want you to contact us. There's a contact form on the website. It's also the liberator.us/contact. If you go to that page, you can just tell me, like, hey, I feel like this server doesn't really align to your goals and what you're trying to achieve. But realize again that all servers are community made and may not represent the Liberator 2. Long-held trusted communities may be listed first on the list of this website. So again, we're talking about the liberator.us/network. The liberator.us/network, you'll see there's just a bunch of different servers. You can list your server. So be sure to contact me. Let me know. Do you want your server on this page? I'd gladly put it up there. And if you happen to be somebody who really promotes freedom and abolitionism and voluntaryism and all these ideas, then that's a great server to list on this page. Thank you very much for watching.